Hi, I am Dr. Vipin Tyagi, consultant in the departments of Urology and Kidney Transplant Surgery, Sir Gangaram Hospital, New Delhi, India. Today we will be discussing about the cancer prostate, everything a common person should know about it. And why we want to discuss this thing? Because cancer prostate is something which is not uncommon. It is the second most commonly diagnosed cancer in the male worldwide and the fifth most commonly cancer diagnosed among all the individuals globally. In India, the incidence of cancer prostate is about 9 to 10 patients per 1 lakh of male population, and it causes a significant morbidity and mortality. Till now, what we have discussed is about the cancer prostate, but is there any way by virtue of which we can decrease the risk of the cancer prostate? Scientifically, there is nothing, but theoretically, we can say that if a patient leads a good, normal, healthy lifestyle, if the patient has a watch on his weight, then we may decrease the chances of the cancer prostate. और एक सबसे बड़ी बात, अगर आपके परिवार में पहले से ही किसी को कैंसर प्रोस्टेट की हिस्ट्री है तो डेफिनेटली यू शुड मीट अ यूरोलॉजिस्ट एज सून एज यू क्रॉस अ 50 ईयर ऑफ एज फॉर चेकिंग आउट वेदर आई एम हैविंग अ कैंसर और नॉट. सेकेंडली, जब भी किसी यूरोलॉजिस्ट के पास में आप जाते हैं प्रोस्टेट की प्रॉब्लम को लेकर, तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि सीरम PSA is a test for the screening of the cancer prostate, or you can demand to your urologist or your treating physician or your treating surgeon to get a PSA done. So कोई भी मरीज जो हमारी क्लिनिक पे भी आता है जिसकी एज 55 से ज़्यादा है, हम उन सब मरीजों का PSA टेस्ट ज़रूर कराते हैं, and as per the PSA test we proceed further. The idea of getting this PSA test as a screening is to diagnose a disease at the earliest of the stage. जितना जल्दी हम बीमारी को डायग्नोस करेंगे उतना जल्दी ही हम बीमारी को इलाज कर सकते हैं और उतना बेहतरीन हम आउटकम एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं. If we diagnose the thing early, we can offer them a good and the best treatment with the best outcomes. So this is all about the cancer prostate. If you have any query, any questions, and you understand something more about the cancer prostate, you can directly contact me on any given social platforms. Thanks and have a wonderful day.